That bear bar might be a bit too heavy.
It's 5 minutes away now to the top of the hour, where we do see the US existing home sales. A forecast 6.1 million, prior 6.5 million, and the range
90
6.56 million to 5.8 million.
down to
We also have
89.
the US existing home sales change. Forecast minus 6.2% on the prior 6.7%, and the US leading index change month over month. Forecast 0.3% on the prior minus 0.3%.
5 minutes till news. Yeah, it's not cycling down. This little push to the upside here, watching this 95s to 96s as a zone of resistance. That's where the bulls tried buying for the breakout to the upside, and that's where they're starting to get dumpstered ahead of news. They see this bear bar, makes them real nervous. You can feel that panic. One good push. Let the bulls out. Nice pop up for the bulls to get out. And swept out for the scalp. Got him. Nice. Beautiful rejection to allow the bulls out. Pushes right back down. Actually, did it not let them out? Oh, crap. It didn't let them out. Ooh, wee. It didn't hit their break evens. Oh, my bad, bulls. Talk about adding to the fire. Well, you know, don't buy the top. Whoops. Nice little push back off the highs there.